If you've had a long day on your feet and you want to kick back and relax, check out this from Homedics. This is a foot spa. You put your feet in it. It gives you nice bubbles to relax your feet. And there's a little pumice stone right there in the middle that you can either rub your feet on or you can just pick that up. And you can also pumice some of your calluses and things like that on your foot. It is very portable because you can collapse this thing down and make it very flat. And when it's up, it has these anti-collapsing wires that come up to keep it from collapsing while your feet are in it. But you can empty out the water and collapse it down. That way it's nice and portable. It's made of plastic, but it's not flimsy at all. It's very strong, but it does great, and it does relax your feet after a long day. When you've been standing on them, maybe you've been out walking and you're just tired, this is a great way to just sit down, relax, read a book, and get your feet feeling nice and vibrant again. When you fill it up with warm water, and this will actually keep it warm, which is very nice. So it's not going to get too cold on you, but yeah, you fill it up with warm water, and yeah, you can feel those bubbles just going through all the little spots of your toes and massaging your feet ever so slightly. So it's a great product for making your feet feel good again, and I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.